Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna start our fly culture right here. We have our fly box that I made right beside me. And if you want to start your fly culture as well, watch this video till the end. So let's go, guys. There's 4 ways to start your housefly culture. It's up to you guys if you want to use blowflies, bush flies, or houseflies. For me, I like to use the houseflies or the bush flies because they have smaller maggots for our finches. Compared to blowflies, they have like huge maggots, and the maggots are really fat, and I don't like that for my finches. And yeah, it's up to you guys if you like what type of species of flies you want to breed. But for me, I'm gonna breed house flies or bush flies, so they're quite similar. So to start your culture, I think there's 4 methods or 4 ways you can do. Either you catch the flies or buy some flies in your local pet store, or you can have your bran mix here and set it somewhere there's heaps of flies flying around, and they will lay their eggs in here. And then those eggs, you wait for them to hatch, and the maggots, they will turn into pupa. Right here, I got some. And then you wait for those pupa to emerge, and then you'll have your flies. So before they hatch from their cocoons, you put this container filled with pupa, put it there in your fly box and let them hatch, and then you can start your cycle or your culture. And yeah, the other thing is you can have some meat, just put it somewhere there's heaps of flies, let it rot, and they will lay their eggs in there. And it's basically the same with the bran mix right here. It's just meat, but I like using this one because it's much cleaner this way. I like it, and it doesn't smell. So in this method, guys, it will take probably few weeks to start your culture, because you'll need to wait for the housefly to lay their eggs in here and for the maggots to grow. And as you can see, there's already 1 housefly in there, right there. So they will lay their eggs in there, and you'll need to wait for maybe a few weeks, and then you can put this in your fly box, and they will just emerge, and your cycle or your culture will start, and you don't need to worry about anything else. If you want to start your housefly straight away, this is the best method for you guys. Just make this water bottle, cut it in the top part like this, and flip it, and you'll have a funnel like, and there's a hole on the cup, and that's how we can, oh, that one just escaped. And yeah, that's how you can catch some flies. But yeah, they don't really escape that much here unless they just find or crawl in the hole. And yeah, as you can see, I've managed to catch some flies already. And yeah, and then that's it. You can just find some flies and do this, then wait for it to go inside, then you can catch more. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to catch some. but this will take you a lot of effort to catch some flies. So it's very easy to catch some flies with this one compared to using a net. This one is very easy to make. Just cut a bottle in the top part right there, and then just flip it like this, and of course there should be a hole right there so that the fly can get inside, and then that's it. Then after catching some flies, you can put it to your fly box. Just be careful, and then you can start your culture. So I just left my wet bran mix here, and I saw some flies trying to lay their eggs in already. And as you can see, if you look closely in this hole, there's already some eggs right there, the yellowish color right there. So that's really good. So if you want to have more eggs, you need to poke some holes in your wet bran mix so that they can go in there and lay their eggs in. And that's really good. This is my old wet bran mix, and as you can see, there's some movements already. Those are the maggots right there. They don't smell bad because we're using powdered milk and just wheat bran, so it doesn't smell. If you use meat, it will smell and it will be gross in my opinion, so that's why I use this powdered milk. And yeah, those one will just turn into pupa. We'll just wait a few days, and then some of the maggots from there have already turned into pupa, and we have them in here. So we got heaps right there, and then we'll just wait for them to hatch, and we can add this one to our fly box. So that's very easy to start our culture right here. And then of course, don't forget your heat lamp inside. So I have my heat lamp in there. So that's my heat lamp right there. You can't really see it, but it's in there. So if you're in the cold area, you will surely need some heat lamp. So as you can see, this fly is trying to lay some eggs in here. So if you have successfully started your culture, make sure to make heaps of these. Those are the wheat bran and powdered milk so that they can lay their eggs in. If you don't know how to make one, I have a video. And if you don't know how to set up your breeding box, I also have a video for that. The new bran mix is gonna look like this, and this is the old one. So if you want to feed it to your birds, you can separate the maggots from your wheat bran, or you can straight away feed it like this. They will just find the maggots inside. But if you want to continue your culture, you need to save some maggots to turn into some flies, and your culture won't crash. So it will continue, and they will keep reproducing some maggots for your birds. And yeah, that's very easy, guys. All you need is to have some flies first, and then after that they will just continue. And just your part is just to keep putting some wheat bran like this. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now so you can watch my future uploads, and share this video as well to our fellow finch keepers if they are wanting to start their fly culture as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. See you guys.